A very good morning to all my lovely children. So, today we are going to learn about something that we use every single day. Well, what could that word? What could that word would be? Today we are going to learn about a class of words known as the adjective. So, now the question arises is the what do the adjectives do? Adjective, they describes noun or pronouns. Noun can be a common noun like boy, street, tree. It can be a proper noun like John, Sheila, or collective noun like people. Or pronouns can be he, she, it, they. So we can say adjectives gives us more information about a person or a thing. They are also known as modifiers because they modify a noun or a pronoun. So in this session, we will be learning about adjectives. So you must be aware about adjectives. You must be knowing about adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. Now I'm just citing one example before you. Example, Sarah is a beautiful girl. Here, Sarah is a proper noun. Girl is a common noun. Can we spot the adjective here? Which word describe the girl Sarah? Yes, right. Beautiful. So we can say here Sarah is a beautiful girl. So beautiful is a adjective because it gives more information about the girl Sarah. Now there are some more examples. Sita is a clever girl. Girl of what kind? Clever. So clever describes the girl Sita. I don't like that boy. Which boy? That boy. That. He gave me 5 mangoes. How many mangoes? 5 mangoes. There is little time for preparation. How much time? Little time. So these are words describes common noun, or these are words which modifies a noun or a pronoun. So at the la in the as the definition goes, so we may define an adjective as a word used with a noun to add something for its meaning, or shortly we can say adjectives are the words that gives more information about nouns and pronouns. Example, I've just given you 4 examples. Manorma is a beautiful girl. Here, Manorma is a proper noun. Girl is a common noun. Can we spot the adjective here? Yes, beautiful, because it defines the girl. It describes the girl Manorma, and Manorma is a girl of Manorma is a beautiful girl. My neighbor has 2 cars. Two. Meera is a pretty girl. Meera is a pretty girl. So here, pretty. The weather is nice. Nice. Now come on, kinds of adjective. First one is adjective of quality. It tells about the quality or nature of a person, place, animal, or a thing. It gives the answer to the question, what kind of? Or in other words, we can say adjective of quality, or we can say descriptive adjective. It describes the quality of a person or a thing. They usually answer the question of what kind. Like he is a bold player. He is a bold player. Bold. She is a timid girl. Timid. Kolkata is a large city. Large. He is an honest man. Honest. Next, second one is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity, it tells us how much of a thing is used or is talked about. It answers the questions how much. Examples are there. Much of my time has already been wasted. Much. Manoj spends all his money on clothes. All. There are more examples. I'm citing it with more examples. Like I ate some rice. How much rice I ate? Some. It describes the quantity. Some describes the quantity of rice. He should. He showed much patience. Much. He has little intelligence. How much intelligence? Little. He has lost all his wealth. How much wealth he has lost? All. There has been sufficient rain this year. How much rain? Sufficient. Next, third one is adjective of number. It gives the number, it gives the answer to the question how many. There are 30 students in my class. 30. My drawing book has many pages. Many. Fourth one is demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjective, it is used to point out which one. Or we can say demonstrative adjectives are used to just show distance from the speaker. Examples are here. These players are swift player. Which player? These. That car runs on solar energy. Which car? That car. There are some more examples. I'm citing it with some more examples. Like that boy is stronger than Harry. Which boy? That boy. These mangoes are sour. Which mangoes? These mangoes. That boy is industrious. Which boy? That boy. Fifth one is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. These adjectives shows belongings or possession. Or we can say these adjectives shows ownership. Examples are there. She keeps her dress neat and clean. Can you just spot adjective here, possessive adjective here? Yes, her. We write nothing in our books. Yes, in second example we can just spot the adjective as are. Sixth one is interrogative adjective. When WH family words like, and what are WH family words? Like what, which, whose are followed by a noun to ask questions. These are known as interrogative adjectives. So interrogative adjectives are used to just ask question with the WH family words. Like whose books are these? Whose. So can you spot the interrogative adjective here? Yes, whose. Which book do you like the most? Which? I'm just illustrating it with some more example. Which game do you like the most? Which? Whose mobile do you use? Whose? What method do they apply to solve the sum? What? Next, seventh one is distributive adjectives. When words such as each, every, other, another, etc. are placed before a noun or a pronoun, we call them distributive adjectives. Examples are there. Each student is good. Each student. Each. Can you spot the distributive adjective here? Yes. Each. Every member of my family is highly qualified. Here, every. There are some more examples. I'm just citing it with some more examples. Like, each boy must take his turn. Each. India expects every man to do his duty. Every. Either pen will do. Either. Every word of it is false. Every. So this is all about adjectives. Now just have a quick recap about adjectives. So in today's session, we learned about adjectives. Adjectives are words that modifies a noun or a pronoun. A noun can be a common noun or a common noun or a proper noun. Like when we can say common noun like book, tree, and proper noun like John, and pronouns like he, she, it, or they. Or in other words, we can say adjectives are describing words. Now, kinds of adjective. First one is adjective of quality. In other words, we can say adjective of quality is it describes, it tells us the quality or nature of a person, place, animal, or a thing. It gives the answer to the question what kind of. Or this adjective of quality is also known as descriptive adjective. Next, second one is adjective of quantity. It tells us how much of a thing is used or is talked about. It answers the question how much. Second one is adjective of number. It gives the answer to the questions how many. Fourth one is demonstrative adjective. It is used to point out which one, or we can say the demonstrative adjective is used to show distance from the speaker. Fifth one is possessive adjective. These adjectives shows belongings or positions or ownership. Sixth one is interrogative adjective. When WH family members like what, which, whose are followed by a noun to ask questions, these are known as interrogative adjectives. Or we can say when WH family words are followed by a noun to ask question, we frame interrogative sentences with WH family member to ask question. It is known as interrogative adjective. Last one is distributive adjective. When words such as each, every, other, another, etc. are placed before a noun or pronoun, we call them distributive adjective. This is all about adjectives. So, I hope you must have understood it clearly. In the next session, we will just learn something new. Till then, goodbye. Keep